Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 29 and 30 of class 8 subject GK. Think and write. So the chapter you have high order thinking skills. So here are some questions which you have to answer. Okay children, now first question we have, why do volcanoes erupt? So the answers you have to write in your GK notebook because there is not much space to write the answers in the textbook only. So answers is this. First one, volcanoes erupt when molten rock called magma rises to the surface. Magma is formed when the earth's mantle melts. If magma is thick, gas bubbles cannot easily escape and pressure builds up as the magma rises. When the pressure is too much, an explosive eruption can happen, which can be dangerous and destructive. This is answer number 1. Second, why do spiders spin their web? Spiders spin webs to protect their eggs or as a hunting tool, a small silk net that they throw over their prey. They can also use webs for transport, climbing to a high point and then release one or more sail-like strands of silk which get catched by the breeze and carries them away. Now the question number 3. Why do animals sometimes attack humans? So the answer is, the animals have started attacking humans because it is not getting its natural prey. Animals attack humans sometimes because they are having fear of humans or humans beat animals, that's why they attack. Now the next we have question number 4. Okay, why is a fox called cunning? So the answer is, fox is called cunning as fox characters are always clever, evil and greedy in most of the stories. Next question, why do humans have earwigs? Earwigs is produced by the ear to clean and protect itself. It's secretes by glands in the skin that line the outer half of your ear canals. The wax and tiny hairs in these passages traps dust and other foreign particles that could damage deeper structures such as your eardrum. Answer question number 6. Why do we see stars when somebody hits us in our face? The optical nerve is in the back of your brain. If you get hit on the head or the face, you have to write face. The tissue in your optical lobe gets shaken up. Brain cells then send out random electrical impulses which your brain interprets as flashes of light that may be seen like stars. So these were the answers to these questions. You have to complete this questions answers in your notebook. And did you know ostrich can run faster than horses and male ostrich can roar like a lion? Now tricky track, chapter number 30. In the given figure, the circle represents intelligent persons, the triangle represents creative persons, and the rectangle represents lazy person. Now answer the following questions with the help of the figure. Who are intelligent but lazy person? So the answer is D. Who are creative and lazy but not intelligent person? It is ACF. Who are creative but lazy person? It is F. Who are intelligent and lazy but creative persons also? So the answer is D1, that is E. Who are intelligent as well as creative person? It is D. Now find the word internet in the given word guide. So the word internet is INTERNET. Internet. So children, you all have to complete this work on page number 35. This you have to complete in your notebook, and page number 36 in your textbook only. Okay, and you have to learn these question answers also. So complete your work and learn the question answers. Thank you.